I'll try trimming with it instead of edging and see if that does any better. So let's give it a shot. What up, what up? It's been a minute since I've done any filming. We were all sick last week, had to push all my mowing clients back. So starting today, we are going to do my yard, and then yeah, we'll go from there. One of my clients had this in their backyard while I was mowing, and they were like, hey, do you just want to take it? And I was like, sure, why not? I'll take it, but it's in rough shape. It's a Kobalt 40-volt mower. Cover's broken. Blade is rusty and dull. So if I do use this thing, I'm gonna replace the blade. She did also give me a blower and a string trimmer. The blower works pretty good, and the string trimmer seems pretty good. We're gonna try that string trimmer today on my yard. So without further ado, let's get after it. going to take some getting used to, I think. I'll tell you what, I will try the Kobalt String Trimmer a couple more times, but I'm not putting a lot of stock into it. You know what I'm saying? I'll try trimming with it instead of edging and see if that does any better. So let's give it a shot. That's a little better, but still going to take my gas over it. So now let's keep going. Gas wins. Okay, so real quick, two things I noticed pretty much immediately. One, the shaft length is shorter on the Kobalt, and the head spins in opposite direction than the Echo, which that's not that big of a deal. It just changes the grip and changes the direction that you walk. But the head on the Kobalt also has this little knob that you compress to get more string, which that's great, but it gets hung up in the grass. So if you're trying to trim all at the same level, this gets hung up. Whereas the Echo, you can pretty much keep the head on the surface of the grass and trim everything down like it's supposed to. Whereas you can't do that with this. Otherwise, the string is too high and you're not going to be trimming anything. So that's an issue. So with that being said, gas or the Echo trimmer still wins in my book. To be fair, Kobalt, they're not specializing in outdoor power equipment, right? So Echo, outdoor power company. Toro, outdoor power company. Even Ego. So the space that Kobalt is in with this piece of equipment specifically, it's just not on the same level. So anyway, rant over. Let's keep going. Blower's okay. It's definitely not as powerful as the gas, but I didn't expect it to be either. Same thing for the string trimmer. I didn't expect it to be as powerful, but I didn't expect it to be so bad either. If you are currently using any of those big box store brand companies for your lawn care equipment, like Kobalt, Craftsman, DeWalt, companies like that, let me know what your experience is and your opinion down in the comments below. Like, subscribe, share with a friend, help this channel grow so that we can continue to serve those in the community. Thanks, you guys. See you on the next one.